Hi guys, I'm Ankita. I love makeup and I always aspire to be a makeup artist. To learn more about makeup, I joined the Vah Vah Institute of Makeup. They sent me a makeup kit, so let's see how it is. I'm going to unbox it for you all. So let's begin. Wow, this is so cool. We have some really cool lookbooks over here. Wow, this is so cool. They have some really cool pictures over here with some amazing looks that I hope I learn. Absolutely love these looks. Wow, okay, let's see what's next. We have color theory, color correction, and skin tones and skin undertones. That's cool. I wonder what this color theory is. I think I'll learn more about it as the classes go on. But looks pretty interesting to me. Okay, now comes the main part, and that is unboxing the makeup kit. So let's dig in. We have two packs of sponge wedges. I think it would be useful to apply makeup. And now let me remove this pretty heavy makeup kit, and then we have these two foundations, and yeah, I guess that's all. Yeah, you will get this makeup kit if you join the Vah Vah Makeup Institute. Okay, so time to open this kit. Wow. Okay, starting with the brushes. We have 4 packets of these brushes. Wow, they look super cool. And I don't really know how to use brushes, but let's see. And next we have the Kryolan Professional Makeup Palette, and this is specially packed for Vah Vah Institute Bangalore. And here we have the Pro Art Premium Lashes. Wow, they are so cool, and I can't wait to put these lashes on me at least. And next we have the Woopa Lashes Mascara by Faces Canada. Okay, let's open and see how this looks. Wow, okay, this looks fancy. Looks authentic to me. And next we have the Faces Canada Ultimate 18 eyeshadow. Wow. So let's see how this looks like. Oh wow. Okay. I just have an eyeshadow palette which has 4 colors, but these are too many colors. They have so many colors. This looks so cool and so pretty. Okay, we have another palette by Kryolan. Let's see what this is. Again, specifically packed for Vah Vah Institute Bangalore. Okay. Oh wow, this is so cool. This is another palette. I'm not sure what this is, but looks pretty cool to me. Next we have the Kryolan contour pencil, and then we have these beautiful eye pencils, which I can't wait to use because I absolutely love eye makeup. This is an eyeliner, okay, and this is a matte lip crayon. Wow, everything sealed and authentic. Next we have this Maybelline Master Strobing cream. Okay, strobing, I don't really know what that is, but I think I'll get to learn more about it in the upcoming classes. We have so many more items to go. We have an all set to go translucent powder. We have 2 lipsticks. We have another foundation. We have a Blendfinity stick blush. I think it's blush, but some other avatar, no idea. We have an eye pigment. Okay, what does an eye pigment mean? I need to see this. Okay. Ooh. Okay, it's something gold, which I guess we will have to put in our eyes. We'll get to know more. We have another eye pigment, but this is holographic. Wow, those are some terms, I tell you. And let's see how this looks like. Okay, confused. Next, we have the makeup fixer to fix all the hard work that I'll be doing on the face. And then we have 2 sharpeners to sharpen my pencils. We have an HD micro primer, which I will be using, I don't know when. And then we have a couple of more items, like this is a tinted moisturizer and a shimmering event foundation. Wow, that sounds interesting. And here we have a multi gel. I don't really know what I would be doing with this. And oh, okay, this is something really tiny and I want to know what this is. This is an adhesive. This is an adhesive, I think something to glue. Vah Vah has also put a professional makeup kit checklist in this makeup kit, and they have personally ticked against all these products that they have put in the makeup kit. Just shows that they have ensured that all the products are there in this kit. They have also sent some face charts and also a personalized thank you note, which I plan to give to all my models and clients after I've done makeup on them. And it says, "Thank you, you just helped me get closer to my dreams." That is true. Okay, that was that. And personally, I am super excited to use all these products that I just received from Vah Vah. I feel these products are so authentic, they are so beautiful, and they will match every skin that I plan to do makeup on. So thank you so much, Vah Vah, for sending me this beautiful makeup kit, and I'm super excited to learn so much more from you.